click this on here. And click it on here. And then click this one in here. Click this one here. Click this one in here. Here.
I opened it.
You opened it?
Huh?
Okay, good, good.
No, I'm doing not yet.
Not yet?
Not done.
We don't need instructions. We don't need instructions. Rip this instructions.
Yeah. Disgusting.
Yeah. That's why we say the instructions. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who needs instructions?
You need instructions.
No instructions.